All right. Good afternoon, and please be seated. Good afternoon, Your Honor. We're ready first on Mr. Brian Green.
First up.
Thank you. In the state of Washington, Mr. Brian Green, cause number 3BC003568, will on behalf of the House custody and representing himself at this time. I have filled out a declaration of trial readiness that I am passing the defendant at this time, indicating that we are confirming for trial, and to confirm if there are any issues with that.
I have an issue with this entire thing. I have not consented to any of this. This is all outside the law. Did you bring the witness, injured party, because they were supposed to come here and testify to it?
Okay, and before you go any further, sir, can I just have you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Brian Green.
Okay, Mr. Green, and let me just confirm one more thing. Green, is the 351, is it Birchett Road, Onalaska, still a good mailing address?
Oh, yes, it is.
Okay, thank you. You may be seated, if you wish. And you may stand if you want.
It's a lot.
Okay, and you may proceed. Mr. Green, I think you were objecting to the Declaration of Readiness.
I'm objecting to the entire thing. I haven't consented to any of this. The court has not shown a proper jurisdiction. Obviously the court still has conflict of interest. It's proceeding anyway, so I object to all this. None of this is proper. So if, I suppose you're going to force me to sign this anyway.
You don't have to sign it.
And what is the penalty? What is the punishment for not signing this?
For confirming for trial. Is that correct?
Now you have shown proper jurisdiction to bring this case?
And I'll defer to the court, but it's my understanding this case previously had a motion last Friday regarding jurisdiction. The court did find jurisdiction at that time, and Mr. Sadatra wasn't here today to put this on the record, but he wanted me to note for Your Honor that the last proceeding was recorded and has been posted on YouTube, and he will be addressing further motions morning of trial in that regard.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And would it be okay if I just write objects under your name?
Well,
or would you prefer nothing?
You could go ahead and put objects,
Okay.
to this fraud, I guess. I've already reported you guys to the Department of Justice, the FBI, and I'm continuing with this because you are out of order completely. And I object to all of this. You have no facts and evidence. You have determined that I'm a slave with making me under a constant jurisdiction, so I guess there isn't much that I can say except for I object and I do not consent to any of this.
Okay, thank you. And we will go forward with the trial on February 23rd at 9 a.m.
And this.
And
pardon me, Judge. So this witness victim is going to show up, the officer, to testify. Is that correct? He was supposed to show up here to testify because he's going on vacation, I guess. So is he going to be here to testify to this alleged crime that he witnessed where I caused someone a loss or a harm?
hey, it says that the witness will be available on the 23rd.
I guess
the
not.
morning of the 23rd. There are going to be some motions in limine, and we're requesting the Elmo and the projector. And let's see. I just want to know what CD is.
I have March 1st, 2015, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
And just a few, just to make a couple of points for the record, the trial will proceed at 9 a.m. Mr. Green, you will be expected to know and follow the rules.
What court, Your Honor? The proper court has been shown.
As
The court.
And Mr. Green, please don't interrupt me. Okay, you're going to be expected to follow the court rules and court proceedings during the trial. You're expected to know the court rules as well as the rules of evidence.
Of what proper court, Your Honor? So the rules of evidence and all that for what court? A criminal under common law court? Because that's the only one that you are authorized here. So that is what I'm going to take away from here, is that you are showing that you have a jurisdiction under criminal common law. Is that what you're saying right now? Because I need to know so that I can defend myself properly. Is that what you're saying?
And the court rules of evidence that apply to the district court as well as the superior court, you're going to be expected to know those and follow them on Monday morning.
So a secret court.
Please don't interrupt me, sir.
Okay.
On Monday morning, we will have motions in limine. The court will be setting limits not only on voir dire as well as on the opening statement and closing statement time limits. All right. Those will be discussed and outlined, and will be expected to adhere to those. And just to put Mr. Green,
I object to all of
to
this.
let you know that there will be, the court's not going to allow any video recording of the potential jurors and the jurors that are seated and any of the witnesses.
Pardon me, Your Honor. Are you offering me a contract right now? Because I would like full disclosure of that contract.
Okay.
Are you going to give me full disclosure of this contract that you are demanding? Are you giving me an order? And everyone in order not to film in court? Because I would like full disclosure of this contract, please.
Those are the rules.
Are you refusing? Are you refusing to give me full disclosure, Your Honor?
Pending the next
You are
hearing,
refusing right now. Let the record show that the judge is refusing to give full disclosure of this contract that she is offering.
Yes, no hostile contact with law enforcement.
You are in such trouble. I can't believe you people are a part of this.
Would you like to cut forward?
I'd like to go home, but sure, I guess I will. Since I have to. You're forcing me to. You are saying that I'm a slave, and if I don't, I guess this guy will hurt me. Here. Thank you.
Do you want to fax a copy of it?
I don't want to sign for anything. I'm going to sign without prejudice, because this is a fraud, once again. Do you know what the fact was versus the juror fact? Still need to sign. Do I need to copy? Excellent. More evidence. Thank you. Is that it? Can I leave? Can I go? All right. Go. You should repent to the Lord. Let me tell you, He does not like people enslaving others.
Oh, you were next on camera, Your Honor, with the chief. Thank you.
You should think about that.